Hi everyone, it's Phil from AO here, back for day 4 of our spring clean challenge. Today we're going to be doing a deep clean on our washing machine and cleaning right around the seal. So to start, I've got this mixture here that I've already pre-prepared. It is 2 cups of white vinegar, half a cup of water and half a cup of bicarbonate of soda. So what I'm going to do is we're going to run an empty wash on 90 degrees, as hot as your washing machine can go, and I'm just going to put this straight in to the drawer, and then I'm going to turn the washing machine on. The wash is just finished and the next step is to remove the drawer, so I'll show you how to do that now. So to remove the drawer in your washing machine, on my washing machine anyway, all I do is just press this little tab down and the drawer should just pull out. It might be slightly different on your washing machine, so check the manufacturer's instructions. If you don't have them, you should be able to still find them online somewhere. So the next step is to clean the drawer. I just got some warm water and some washing up liquid. Parts like this should pop out. Another good tip is to use an old toothbrush to get some of the little nooks and crannies that you might not be able to get to otherwise. So while we've got the drawer out, we want to take this opportunity to clean around the hole where the drawers come from. So I've got a cloth that's just got some warm water and washing up liquid, and we're just going to wipe around this hole and wipe all inside the machine. The final thing that I'm going to do is to clean around the washing machine seal. So again, it's just warm water and washing up liquid. I'm just going to take a cloth and run round all around the outside of the seal and then inside too. And we'll have a nice sparkling clean washing machine. I've given the outside of the machine a wipe down now and cleaned all around the inside of the door. So just got the drawer that is nice and drained and dry, and I'm going to stick that back in the machine. And there we are, good as new. So thanks for joining on day 4 of the AO Spring Clean Challenge. I would love to see your before and after shots in the comments on the Facebook group. Back tomorrow for day 5.